Hi everybody, Paul here again. I have a severely corroded battery cable that will not come off of the battery. So if you ever run into this situation, don't take and try and hit the cable with a hammer because you may damage something. In this situation, when you cannot remove it manually, there's a special tool I want to show you that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So this is called a battery terminal puller tool. They're not that expensive and they're well worth the investment even if you only end up using it one time. The way it works is it has these curved jaws which grip underneath the battery cable. As you turn this handle in, this here presses down on top of the battery post, which causes the curved jaws to squeeze inward and pull upward to remove the cable. This will also prevent anything from being damaged. So if you're not able to get your battery cable off, this is your answer. Let's watch it in action. Now if you've got anti-corrosion washers on your battery post like I do, you want to make sure that you get the jaws underneath that washer. And there it is. It just popped off. So again, the beauty of these are they will not damage anything. And I gotta tell you, I can't believe how easy that came off.
I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are working on your car, I'll be working on a tan of this beautiful white sandy beach.